Got a graphic design channel but no standout logo yet? No worries. In just 5 minutes, we'll create a G logo that's simple, modern, and makes your channel look professional. Ready? Let's get started. Canva. Go to Elements and grab an inverted triangle. Make it bigger and place it in the center. Add an outline with a size of 40 and change the inside color to white. Next, grab a square shape, adjust the size, then duplicate it. Change one of them to white and position them like this to form the letter G. Now, let's add a pencil tip icon to represent the channel's niche. Finally, add some text to complete the logo. And there you have it. Super easy, right? Want to see more Canva logo design tutorials? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss out.